Hey guys, Shukesh here. So this is by far the best PDF reader and it's from Wondershare, which is one of the biggest software developers in the world. Now what's so special? First of all, it's totally free, a very small lightning fast software with no adware. You can read your PDFs, you can annotate, you can create and also sign any PDF. And why do I think it's so special? Because of these amazing features. It's packed with numerous tools for the best reading experience. For example, you can change the background of your PDFs to day mode, to night mode, to eye protection mode, so reading 100-page PDF won't tire your eyes. So first of all, you can download the software for Windows free of cost from here. The download link is in the description of this video. Once you download, you can click here and install into your PC. Now let me briefly show you the main features of this software. First of all, you can change the view and also the fit for best viewing experience. For PDFs like this, you can have a book-like view. You can open multiple PDFs at a time in different tabs. You can simply click here and open a new PDF from your storage. So there you go. The ribbon bar at the top with the most common feature is very useful. You don't have to look for these options in the menus. Now this Wondershare PDF reader gives you the option to create PDFs from files, from scanner, from clipboard, that is whatever you have copied, which can be a Word file, a PowerPoint presentation, Excel sheet, a simple image or even a simple text. You can create blank PDFs as well. So I have just converted this document file into a PDF in seconds. So that's another great add-on tool in this software. Simply save it and it's done. Now I think the best features of this Wondershare PDF reader is the annotation options. You can annotate in so many ways. So simply click or select any text and you can highlight the text in different colors. You can add comments, so simply type whatever annotations you want to put here. So whenever you hover your pointer, the annotation will pop up. Now of course, in addition to highlighting in different colors, you can underline, you can strike through, put squiggly lines for maybe spelling mistakes, and also simply add comments without any kind of highlighting. So let me add this comment and there you go. I can hover and check the notes. Now a lot of other very handy tools are available under the comment tab. So for example, you can add square, circle, maybe an arrow sign, or a couple of other shapes are available as per your needs. Now you can add text boxes in anywhere on the PDF. For example, you can add sticky notes just like that. Simple text can be added into the PDF itself. You can change the fonts, the size of the text as per your requirement. You can put callouts anywhere on the PDF. And lastly, you can add attachments, which can be any file from your computer. Now the annotations can be hidden anytime, so maybe you are doing a book proofreading or maybe you are giving instructions to your students. You can take the help of these amazing tools on the Wondershare PDF reader without hampering the original PDF. Now in this free version of the PDF reader, Wondershare is also giving you the option to sign the document. You can use your digital signature and put the signature field anywhere on the PDF. And you can even create your own digital ID with this software. You can password protect the PDF as well for sensitive information. You can also mark for reduction of sensitive info like your maybe phone number, your name, your email ID. This software also supports electronic signatures. So this is a full-fledged software for your personal as well as for your professional needs. So definitely give it a try. It will not cost you a single penny, and there is a full-fledged version of this software called PDFelement, which will give you the options like you can edit it like Pro, you can convert it into different formats, and most importantly, you can edit forms. The software itself comes with hundreds of different forms. You can perform OCR, that is optical character recognition. So you can simply take a picture of a book or maybe a newspaper and convert it into an editable PDF. You can put watermarks, you can compress your PDF files into smaller versions. So PDFelement is an all-in-one software for all of your professional needs. If you're a student, if you're an employer, this is the ultimate software you will need. You can try this software absolutely free. I will try to review PDFelement for you as well, so definitely check the channel for the video. You can download PDFelement from here. Check the description for the download link. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that it was useful.